Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Gundry MD subscription. Okay, so in this video I'm going to provide you two easy methods by which you can cancel your subscription very easily, 100%. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, like, there are two methods. The first method is like calling method. You need to call their customer support team and their phone number is available on their official website contact us page, or you can search on internet, very easily you can get. I'm not going to show you the phone number because it's against YouTube policies. Okay, so when you get their phone number, you need to contact them and you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription, and they will ask you some kind of information related to your subscription for verification purpose, and after verification they will cancel your subscription. If phone number is not available, if phone number is busy due to any reason, so how you can cancel it? You can try again. If it's impossible to getting in touch with the customer support team, so what you have to do, you need to compose an email. Okay, the email format you can see over here. Okay, in the subject box you need to write like request cancellation of current subscription with Gundry MD, and in the body you need to provide your name, your account number if you have any, subscription starting date and end date, starting and each and everything related to subscription which you have, and in the body section you need to provide a valid reason why you want to cancel, and in the end section you need to ask a proof of cancellation. Okay, and you can take help from ChatGPT, and once your email is done, you need to send this email at their email address. Their email address is also mentioned on their official website contact us page. Okay, you can visit on page and you can find out their email. Once you send your email, once they receive your email, they will reply you after a few 24 to 48 hours. Okay, if you don't get any reply from their side, if you don't get any proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is still active and they are going to charge on your account for your upcoming bills. So basically you need to keep in touch with the customer support team until you don't get any proof of cancellation. Okay, so by using this way you can easily cancel your Gundry MD subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.